Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Aura frame not turning on, troubleshoot power, boot and display issues step by step. Fix 1. Check the power adapter and cable. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to the Aura frame and wall outlet. Then try a different wall socket and inspect the cable and adapter for damage. If possible, test with another compatible power adapter. Fix 2. Perform a power cycle. Unplug the Aura frame from power and wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait a few minutes to see if the frame starts normally. Fix 3. Factory reset the Aura frame. Keep the frame plugged in and press and hold the reset button or follow your model's reset procedure. Hold until the reset process starts, then set the frame up again through the Aura app. Fix 4. Check for screen activity. Look closely for a faint image or backlight on the screen and increase room darkness to see if the display is on but dim. If the screen is black but the frame has power, a display issue may be present. Fix 5. Check for overheating. Feel the back of the frame for excessive heat and unplug it and let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Then place it in a well ventilated area and power it on again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.